Hey, what is this? Watch out! Wow, that was close. I don't know what number that is, but that was a close encounter of the really close kind.
Hi, I am I am the one that really made the Devil's Tower famous. Close Encounters of the Third Kind made the Devil's Tower a pop culture phenomenon, and for good reason, as it's one of the most mysterious national parks. Rising 1,267 feet above the Belle Fourche River, Devil's Tower has long been a beacon, attracting people and capturing their imaginations since prehistoric times. Today, it continues to hold many meanings for people including American Indians, local ranchers, rock climbers, and thousands of visitors. In 1875, Richard Dodge commanded the military escort for a scientific expedition into the Black Hills. The Indians told him this place is Bad God's Tower, so he called it Devil's Tower. Using the authority of the newly created Antiquities Act, President Theodore Roosevelt proclaimed Devil's Tower America's first national monument on September 24, 1906. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Be sure to watch this next episode. It's like the YouTube universe picked this one for you. So be sure to watch it, or I'm afraid I'll have to blast you.